If in a professional session they want to make themselves more attractive to you, what might you find attractive that would make you want to have sex with them even more?
I guess that would be the same as for meeting someone in a club or anywhere else. People who are approachable, people who are not too much double thinking about everything they're gonna say. They're just spontaneous. They're a little bit. They have that childlike innocence where, you know, things just are being said and things blurted out, and people who feel confident in their sexuality. You know, if there's a lot of shame on their bodies or on their sexuality, I mean, yeah, that's also hard work for me. You know, it's I have to deal with that.
From people who do give sessions, that if someone, you know, comes to them, it's kind of a vulnerable thing to do. That in itself is attractive. So then it doesn't matter if the person is not your favorite physical type or whatever.
Yeah.
They become attractive just from the fact that they're willing to share themselves and be kind of vulnerable.
Yeah, I think vulnerability is a very big one.
Mm.
If a professional client is feeling nervous before meeting you because of how attractive you are, what would you say to them?
All right. If I were my own client, I wouldn't be too worried about the way I look, or, you know, if my body type is the right type or anything like that. Most important is that you can just relax and surrender to what's going on in the moment and be communicative, because that's more important to me. And I also think that being nervous before you have any type of session or workshop is totally part of the deal. I mean, it will always happen. So, you know, just kind of enjoy it.